guys, I'm just gonna jump right into it because I hate watching super duper long YouTube videos where they're showing you how to do something and they just the hold on video. The first 3 things that you're gonna need for this hairstyle is some edge control. This is the 24-hour edge control that I use. You don't have to get this edge control. You can get whatever edge control works for you. Crochet needle. You can get this from Walmart or the dollar store or your local beauty supply store. And some crochet hair. I use like a kind of a wavier, kinkier type curl, but whatever style you're going for, you can use whatever hair you have. And some braiding hair. As you can see, my hair is already in braids. So the first step for this style is just putting your hair in box braids. I might insert a clip of how I got my box braids, but if you don't know how to do box braids, you might need to exit this video. Or if you already don't have box braids in your hair, you might want to start off by getting some box braids. So the first thing I did was put box braids all throughout my hair. I would say these are like medium size box braids. But yeah, I just put box braids all throughout my hair, and then I use the rubber band method for my box braids. And then like literally, first thing first, you want to put your hair in box braids. This is not a box braid tutorial. If you would like to see a box braid tutorial, just comment down below and I'll make a separate video for that. But the first thing first, you just want to put your hair in box braids. So I did part box braids all throughout my hair. It doesn't matter what size or whatever size you're going for, that's the size you can use. And literally, I'm gonna sit down for this so you guys can see. You want to take the crochet needle, if it focuses, you want to take your crochet needle, open it, and you can literally put the crochet hair anywhere. So I'm just gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna choose this braid. So you just take the crochet needle, you put it on the root of your hair. You want to stick it in there really good. You just stick it in the root of your hair, slide it through, drop the hair, take your crochet hair, take the crochet hair, and you want to make sure it's even on both sides. Take the crochet hair, stick it in the needle, close the needle, pull it through, open, pull it, take both sides, and you can tie it in how many knots you would like, but for me, I usually do about 3 to 4 knots just to make sure it's secure. Tie it and literally drop it, and guys, that's literally how simple it is. That's it. And that's how you get a goddess lock, a bohemian lock. And of course you would do this all throughout your head. I am going to do a couple more on camera so you guys can get the point. I already put it throughout the front of my hair, and I did already have this in my head for about a week now, so these are a little old. I'm just going to work through the back on camera. like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.